Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy cake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, large eggs, and whole milk. Don't forget baking powder for lift, a touch of vanilla extract for flavor, and softened unsalted butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your baking pan. This simple approach ensures a perfect cake every time. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender crumb. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients alternately with the milk, mixing only until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the batter evenly into your prepared 9-inch round pan. Ensure the surface is smooth for even baking. Place the pan in your preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before gently inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once your cake is completely cool, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Make sure it's fully cooled to prevent your frosting from melting. Prepare your favorite frosting, whether it's a classic buttercream, a tangy cream cheese frosting, or a simple glaze. Spread it evenly over the top and sides of your cake. Add sprinkles, fresh fruit, or any other decorations you like to make it uniquely yours. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.